everybody, welcome back to another 3rd grade Y-Log video. My name is Cara and the first topic that I'm going to be going over in this video is place value. So it says in the directions, what is the underlined place value? So just as a reference and review, if we have a number like let's say thousands, the number farthest to the right is known as the ones place. The second number is known as the tens place. And the third number is known as the hundreds place. This last number, the fourth number, is known as the thousands place. So now with this information, we're going to try solving the questions. So let's start off with number 2, 42. The 2 is underlined, and as we could see, that is in the ones place because it's the farthest number to the right. Next, we're going to be doing number 6, 654, and the 6 is underlined, which is the hundreds place because it's the third number to the right. Next, we're going to be doing number 10 and 1942. The 9 is underlined, which is the third number to the right, which is the hundreds place. And lastly, we're going to be doing number 11. And number 11, 5,383. The 5 is underlined, and the 5 is thousands. It's in the thousands place value because it's the fourth number. Moving on to the next page, we're going to be doing even and odd numbers. So, an even number is any number that has a 0 that ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And an odd number is any number that ends in a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So with this information, let's try solving some questions. So first, number 3, 16. Is 16 an even or odd number? As we can see, 16 ends in a 6, which is an even number, so the answer is going to be even. Next, we're going to be doing number 7. So 915. We look at the last number and we see that the last number is 5. Is 5 an even or odd number? And it is an odd number. Next, we're going to be doing number 13, 49. 49 ends in a 9. Is 9 an even or odd number? And it is clearly an odd number. Next, 18, 5. 5 is an odd number. And lastly, number 20, 29,424. Make sure to look at the last number, and 4 is an even number, so our answer is going to be even. Moving on to the next page, we're going to be going over multiplication, and I'm going to be starting off with number 5. I'm going to be drawing 3 sets of 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. Next, we're going to be doing number 8. I'm going to be drawing 2 sets of 5. And if we count that, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our answer is 10. The last problem I'm going to be doing on this page is number 20. 1 times 4. Remember that anything times 1, the number you're multiplying by 1 is going to be your answer. So 4 is our answer. The last topic for this video today is word problems, and I'm going to be starting off with number 2. So it says 20 out of the pencils David has are colored pencils. Which fraction simplified of the pencils are colored pencils? So we have 20 out of 100. When it says out of something, that means it's over, like a number over a number. And it says these amount are colored pencils, and we need to simplify it. The way you simplify it is you find a common number that can be divisible by both the numerator and the denominator. So 20 and 100 are both divisible by 20. And remember that whatever you do to the top, you always have to do to the exact same thing on the bottom and the top. So we divide and we get 20 divided by 20 is 1. 100 divided by 20 is 5. So 1/5 of the pencils are colored pencils.